White thing?
Yes, shoot it.
I'll try.
Okay.
If I can see it. Not gonna lie to you, I'm flinching.
You can do it, Dave.
Makes me laughing.
You're my boy, boo.
They aiming at him.
That's right.
I thought he was aiming at the one at the end of the field.
Yeah, walking it down. I'm like, I'm not going to hit it.
I got that on tape.
Look who I found out in the field.
Yeah, we're shooting some fun stuff. Most of the fun will be tomorrow, but we got a little taste of some exciting.
He found me too.
Hey, Tim.
You had to hunker down for me.
Y'all are now they're without makeup and they're out in a cow pasture and no makeup. And so, but I'm really happy to meet both of you guys.
How you doing? I'd shake your hand, but you got a camera in it.
Here we go. Trick photography. Thanks, guys.
Does he have fuel with this one too?
Same spot. Why does Plankster get to shoot everything?
That's what I'm asking. Somebody else come shoot it.
Quit complaining and make something go wrong.
You're skinnier than us.
Yeah.
Surface area.
Light for that.
I've got it kind of dimmed down where it's blowout.
Do it. You got tracers? Yeah, I got tracers.
All right, let's try it.
Tiny mountain tracers.
Go ahead. I'm just going to stand here.
Ear protection.
Our sights are overrated at this point, right? Because I can't see a blooming thing.
You can snap, dude. It'll be all right.
All right.
You'll hit it.
Hot. Really hot.
Not bad, dude.
I couldn't even see my size, dude.
Black smoke is always not bad. He ricocheted that off the ground and hit
Yeah, that's...